Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this YouTube video. Welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi, coming to you guys from Lagos in Portugal. At the moment, we are very busy, so that's why my videos are not like completely structured as always. Today is short TA update as it's Sunday, and there's something important about to happen on the chart. So you need to see this one. The next couple of days, I will be filming again for the documentary. Today, the camera crew is arriving again, so. So I decided to take you with me on that whole path. How do we as a family go through a week of filming for a documentary? So I will do videos every day, but they won't be in the morning because I will film during the day. What are we doing? Where do we go? Who are we interviewing? What are we like? The whole thing on how do we go through a week of filming for the documentary. I will make videos every day, so they will be put live in the evenings. Yes, and yes, there will be some TA information, of course, because I know you want to know what is happening under the charts. Now, let's quickly, talking about the charts, jump into these charts because I have some amazing charts. Let's go into the charts first. Bam. If we look to the short-term charts, guys, we can see that Bitcoin is around 25,750. We know that there's a CME gap, so yes, I have put in a long already in the weekend, I think at 25,300. We just missed it by $30, but that doesn't mean that we will not go lower than this level where we are now. I do believe we can test that level again before we go higher. Now, because there is a CME gap, which I will explain very soon with a chart, you will also understand that I'm taking a short-term trade now on this beautiful Sunday to make some profit, to earn a little buck for some beautiful Sunday evening dinner. Short-term Bam Bam indicator now indicating on the 15-minute short, but of course we always look to the 4-hour to see the bigger picture, and there we can see that we are still in this short of the Bam Bam over there. So we were waiting for a long, but let's see, we need to close above that yellow stepping line, etc. Now the next more important chart, guys. This one is very important to understand. This is that CME gap I was just talking about. Bitcoin closed Friday at 26,535. Mostly Sunday evenings we will be at that same level again, so there is a big chance we will go back to that 26,535. That opened the short-term long, and what I just explained on Bybit. Of course, if you want to trade on Bybit, yes, you can still use that beautiful link to sign up, and if you sign up now, you get $30 just for signing up, 30k bonus depending on how much you deposit, 0% spot trading fees, and yes, of course, still that multiple iPhone 14 giveaway. Now, a very important chart, I think, is this one, the Bitcoin person supply last active 5+ years. So we are breaking a new all-time high again here at 29% almost, and it hasn't been active for over 5 years. More people are hodling in their Bitcoins. They are not spending them anymore. They start to understand what hodl means. And it's very important that is a shift in this industry that we need to have for Bitcoin to become this real store of value. People should be hodling instead of selling everything and freaking out. So new all-time high that didn't move for 5 years and more. Beautiful. Now, this chart is more important, and it's a kind of worrying in my honest opinion, because you can see here how many people are holding their Bitcoins in self-custody. And we can see this, of course, on chain. And it's only 36.5 million self-custody users. And we have more than 300 million Bitcoin users. And that's including all the ones that are holding coins on exchanges. So this means that 12% of the users is using self-custody. So there's a lot of work to be done here. There was a tweet by Willy Who, and I completely agree with him. Because only 12% of the people using self-custody, which means holding their Bitcoins on a hardware wallet in their own custody. You have full control on your Bitcoin. Only 12% of 300+ million users. That's not enough. People need to understand that they need to hold their Bitcoins in self-custody. Non-custodial services where you can do with your Bitcoins what you want. They can never freeze them, they can never take them, they can never do anything with them without your decision. So that's very important that this number improves. Now let's go into the next chart. This chart is a very important chart, guys. On this chart is the short-term holler MVRV indicator. We can see a couple of lines. That blue thin line, that's the short-term holler realized price. The black line is the Bitcoin price. And then we have the short-term holler MVRV bigger than one score and smaller than one score. These are the pinkish and greenish lines that you see on the chart as well. Now, the thing that we see on the chart now is very important. That's why we call it the decision point. You can see the right top of the chart, decision point, go down, and then you see why. Because the Bitcoin price is at the moment finding support on the short-term holler realized price, that blue thin line. And we are at the moment above the one level. So that's why this pinkish line is green now. That's the bullish level, let's say it like that. So we need to keep support on that short-term holler realized price, and that is exactly at this level. From here we should be bouncing up again to stay in this green area, because else we would fall below the one level and we go into that pinkish area again, and then that level one will become resistance again, and that's not good if you want to be bullish in Bitcoin. So yes, this is a very important moment. As you can see in this chart, pause the video and analyze the chart for yourself a little bit more if you want. Now, like I just said, there is still this Bybit giveaway, iPhone 14. It's going all the way to 30th of June. The only thing you need to do is scan this QR code or sign up to Bybit. If you already signed up to Bybit, then also scan the QR code and you need to fill the form. You need to deposit $100 and you get then $20 for free, and you do one trade. And so the one trade could be a leverage trade of $100 with a leverage of 10. Then you have traded $1,000. You could follow those trades in my VIP channel, of course, and then yes, you can claim maybe your iPhone at the end of this month. That's how simple it is, guys. Oh, there is one more thing I want to talk about, because people are asking me, Didi, Bybit is now KYC. Should we matter or not? Okay, we can see that the volume in Bybit is dropping because people just don't want a KYC. Most of my people, I were educated well. I did a good job. I told you guys never do KYC, because that will give all the governments and centralized entities access to maybe your data. Now I know that Bybit is registered on in Dubai and Seychelles, so they will never be giving your access. But still, I do understand that you don't want a KYC. I am also slowly moving more and more into a DEX, and of course the DEX I'm using is Apex, because it's by far the best DEX out there, where you can still trade with leverage, and pairs are being added every day, guys. And I've been talking about Apex for over a year now. Last year already, there's an article on CNBC, and that told you the Bitcoin family is moving more than $1 million into decentralized exchanges, and that is all into Apex, because I know that Apex is going to be the best DEX out there in the next bull run. And to prove this, I will show you here. Let's check this. Bam. We go to the Apex app. This is the Apex app, guys. So here you can trade to earn, so that you earn bananas. There is a staking program. You can stake your Apex and then you earn bana, and you can invest your bananas to get more Apex. There's many possibilities. There is a referral system, reward system. The trade to earn is really cool. Every time you trade, you can earn a little bit in bana tokens. Now you can see that the Apex and Apex pool now, the APR that is for the staking, guys, is 18% and even 21%, which is beautiful. And yes, I'm also trading there, so as you can see over here, guys. Yes, there's now 2 longs, and yes, they are small trades, just to show you that I'm trading and just to show you how Apex works. This is of course not my official trading account. It is connected with one of my wallets that I use publicly out there. Now, so you can see here now that one trade of 56% is in profit, beautiful, and the Matic is only 31% in profit. For example, if I would close this trade, just to show you how it works, here that's a $20 profit on APT. I would close by, and then you can say market close, 100%, yes, confirm, bam, gone. I took profit. That's how simple it works. That's also how simple you open a long again. For example, just let's open a long on Ethereum. Now you can see the contract quantity, or for example 0.1 Ethereum, and then you can say open that long, confirm, bam, you have a long up and running. This is a long with a 30 leverage that I normally wouldn't do, guys, but just to show you how it works. I do believe that this is going to be a profit in the end of the evening, so I will keep it open till the end and then take my profit. Beautiful how it works. So what people really need to understand about Apex is that you're not sending your Bitcoins to an account. You're holding your Bitcoins in full self-custody, which will contribute to the improvement of the number we just talked about. Only 12% using self-custody. If you trade on Apex, you trade with self-custody because you connect your wallet in Web3 with Apex, so you're trading from your own wallet. If Apex would stop to exist, you would still have access to your Bitcoins. That's what they call self-custody. That's why it is important that you look into Apex. Use the link down below to sign up because you can claim a simple extra bonus because you're using the Bitcoin family link. I hope you really enjoyed this video today. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, leave a comment, and let me know if it's exciting to you to see how we live a week while we're being filmed for a documentary. If so, I will create cool videos this week, but they will be live in the evening. So let me know down below. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow again.